Hi and welcome to HR Analytics using MS Excel. Yes, you heard it right. Microsoft Excel. Well, have you ever wondered how you can earn a seat at the CEO's table? Well, you can't do that by simply doing your traditional job. You'll have to go out of your way and you'll have to think out of the box. So as an HR, what can you do? Here we present a case where HR team of an organization held meetings with employees and managers. In this meeting, both parties voiced out their concerns. After the meeting, HR identified 11 major issues that could badly hurt the organization's reputation, its productivity, and hence may lead to lower profitability. This time, HR decided to take an action on its own and solve these issues using the statistical tool which is Excel. Yes, we have a capability in Excel for doing basic statistical analysis because not always you would have access to R or Python. The objective of this course is to introduce several business problems, use analytics to solve them statistically, and use MS Excel to perform these analyses. You can too earn the seat at CEO's table. You just have to start thinking analytically and constantly upgrade your skills. Learning the theory behind analytics is important, but project-based learning is a key to full understanding the analytics process. For detailed description, check out the Udemy description and learning outcomes. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, sign up for this course. See you in the class.